morning and hello to all of you. Today we are going to read the chapter Patriotism from class 10 from the first unit, Inspiration. In this story, the writer has tried to tell us in how many ways we can show our patriotism towards our country. So, first, let us know a little bit about patriotism, how we can express patriotism in our own words. We can say that patriotism is a feeling of love for our country, our loyalty and sincerity towards our nation, or we can say it's our concern for the safety and progress of our nation. The writer of this lesson, Patriotism, has tried to explain in his own words or by giving an example of how we can show patriotism towards our country. This lesson is very interesting, and the main characters of this lesson are Nanaji, Naina, Ajit, Akash Rai. The story begins with a conversation between Nanaji, Ajit and Naina. Naina is very anxious to know from Nanaji as to what is patriotism. She says that, is patriotism going to jail like Gandhiji or sacrificing one's life for the nation? Nanaji says that both these are correct, but patriotism has a very vast meaning. He says that by doing very small duties towards our nation or country, we can show our patriotism. We can show our patriotism for a country by showing our love towards our fellow men, by respecting our national anthem and national flag, or by respecting all the cultures and traditions and the languages that are there in our country. And in this kind, we can show the patriotism towards our nation. Nanaji begins the story of Akash. He says that Akash wanted to become a doctor. So he took to MBBS. He completed his MBBS in India and then he gave a scholarship examination to get money so that he could continue his studies further in this field. He won the scholarship and along with 10 of his friends, he went to USA to complete his master's degree. After completion of master's degree in US, Akash wanted to return back to India. His father did not like Akash returning back to India. He wanted that Akash should complete his master's degree in US, earn a lot of money there, and then he should call his sister and his father and settle down in US. But Akash had a different view. Akash knew that his country had spent thousands of rupees in educating him and making him a doctor, so he wanted to pay the debt of his country. The only way he knew how he could pay the debt was to serve the fellow men of his nation. So he wanted to come back to India. But his father didn't want him to come back to India. The 10 friends who had gone with Akash, they stayed back in US and settled there, earned a lot of money, but Akash decided to come back to India. His father, though he was very proud of Akash that he had a foreign degree with him, but he was on the other hand not very happy with his decision of coming back to India. Akash came back to India and he started his job from a government hospital. He worked there very sincerely, and as he had thought of paying his debt towards his country, he worked very sincerely and very lovingly. He treated all the patients who came to the hospital. He was doing his job very well. That suddenly there broke out an epidemic in a village nearby, and he had to go there for treating the people. He did not inform his parents about going to the village, and after 1 month staying there and treating the people from epidemics, he himself fell sick. And one day, the hospital authorities informed his parents that Dr. Akash had been very sick and was admitted in the hospital. His father and mother ran to the hospital and they found their son very seriously ill, and they were very sad to see his situation. After a few days being in hospital, the condition of Akash got deteriorated, and after a few days he died in the hospital. This death of Akash made his parents very sad. But the villagers, they thought of paying this debt of Akash, and to show their love and devotion towards Akash, they made a plan. They collected some donations and they decided to set up a hospital in the village because there wasn't a hospital in the village. The villagers set up a hospital in the village in the name of Dr. Akash Rai to remember his sacrifice and to show their love towards Akash. This hospital was in the village Himapet, where Nanaji had taken Ajit and Naina. When Naina saw the name of Akash written as Dr. Akash Rai, she asked Nanaji that your surname is also Rai. Then Nanaji told her the fact that Dr. Akash Rai was his son and the uncle of Ajit and Naina. At the end, Nanaji tells Ajit and Naina that he thought that being a professor of philosophy, he knew everything about human beings and patriotism, but at last he says that through his service, his loyalty and his patriotism, Akash had taught him or made him know the true essence of the term service and the real meaning of patriotism. पैट्रियोटिज्म लेसन को पढ़ने के बाद और समझने के बाद आइए इसके प्रश्न उत्तरों को हम पढ़ें और समझें। तो पहला क्वेश्चन है, व्हाट इज पैट्रियोटिज्म? देशभक्ति क्या है? पैट्रियोटिज्म मीन्स टू बी लॉयल टू द नेशन। देशभक्ति का अर्थ है अपने देश के प्रति वफादार होना। टू परफॉर्म ड्यूटीज़ ऑनेस्टली, अपने कर्तव्यों को ईमानदारी से निभाना। टू बी कंसर्न्ड टू द प्रोग्रेस एंड सेफ्टी ऑफ द कंट्री, अपने देश के उन्नति और उसकी सुरक्षा के लिए सोचना। टू रिस्पेक्ट इट्स नेशनल सिंबल्स, कल्चर एंड लैंग्वेजेस, अपने देश के राष्ट्रीय चिन्हों को, उसकी संस्कृति को और भाषाओं का सम्मान करना। एंड टू बी ट्रू एंड लविंग टू इट्स फेलो मैन, और अपने देशवासियों के प्रति सच्चा और स्नेही होना। सो दिस इज पैट्रियोटिज्म। प्रश्न दूसरा है, व्हाई इज नेशनल एंथम नॉट प्लेड इन द सिनेमा हॉल्स दीज डेज? आज के समय में सिनेमा घरों में नेशनल एंथम यानी राष्ट्रगान क्यों नहीं बजाया जाता है? आंसर है, द नेशनल एंथम इज नॉट प्लेड इन द सिनेमा हॉल्स दीज डेज बिकॉज people leave the hall midway laughing, shouting and creating a racket. आज के समय में सिनेमा घरों में नेशनल एंथम यानी राष्ट्रगान इसलिए नहीं बजाया जाता क्योंकि लोग बीच में ही हॉल को छोड़ देते हैं, हंसते हुए, शोर करते हुए और बहुत ज़्यादा शोर करते हुए। प्रश्न 3 है, क्वेश्चन नंबर 3। वाई डिड नाना जी टेक अजीत एंड नैना टू हीमापेट? नाना जी ने अजीत और नैना को हीमापेट क्यों लेके गए? तो नाना जी टुक अजीत एंड नैना टू हीमापेट, अ स्मॉल विलेज, ऑन संडे फॉर अ पिकनिक। नाना जी अजीत और नैना को हीमापेट, जो एक छोटा सा गांव है, वहाँ रविवार को पिकनिक मनाने हेतु लेकर गए। क्वेश्चन नंबर 4। वाई डिड आकाश डिसाइड टू सेटल डाउन इन इंडिया? What does it show about his character? आकाश भारत में ही बस जाने का निर्णय क्यों लिया? इस निर्णय से उसके कैरेक्टर के बारे में हमें क्या पता चलता है? आकाश thought that his country had spent thousands of rupees in educating him. आकाश ये सोचा करता था कि उसके देश ने हजारों रुपया उसे पढ़ाने लिखाने में खर्च किए हैं। He decided to repay this debt by serving his countrymen. उसने सोचा कि उसे ये ऋण, अपने देश का ऋण को अपने देशवासियों की सेवा करते हुए चुकाना चाहिए। So he decided to settle down in India. इसलिए उसने भारत में बसने का निर्णय लिया। This shows his patriotism, honesty, loyalty and love towards his country and its fellow men. उसके इस व्यवहार से उसकी देशभक्ति, उसकी ईमानदारी, उसकी वफादारी और अपने देश और देशवासियों के प्रति उसका स्नेह और प्रेम झलकता है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 5। How did the villagers express their gratitude to the service provided by आकाश? गांव वालों ने आकाश के प्रति अपना ग्रैटिट्यूड, उसकी सेवा के प्रति अपना ग्रैटिट्यूड किस प्रकार से व्यक्त किया? The villagers built a hospital and named it after आकाश. गांव वालों ने गांव में एक अस्पताल बनाया और आकाश राय के नाम पर उस अस्पताल को रखा। They called his parents to inaugurate it. उन्होंने आकाश के पेरेंट्स, उनके माता पिता को उसका उद्घाटन करने के लिए बुलाया। In this way they showed their gratitude. इस प्रकार से उन्होंने अपना आभार व्यक्त किया। Question number 6. What difference do you notice between Akash and his friends? आकाश और उसके मित्रों के बीच हमको क्या अंतर दिखता है? आकाश decided to pay his country's debt by serving his fellow men. आकाश ने अपने देश के प्रति अपना सेवा देकर के देश का ऋण चुकाने का निर्णय लिया। Whereas his friends stayed back in USA. जबकि उसके सारे मित्र USA में रह गए and earned lots of money, और उन्होंने बहुत पैसे कमाए। आकाश preferred to be patriotic than to earn money. आकाश ने देशभक्त होना ज़्यादा प्रेफर किया पैसा कमाने की अपेक्षा। Question number 7. If you were in Akash's position, what would you have done? अगर आप आकाश के जगह पे रहते तो आप क्या करते? आंसर है, I also would have preferred to show my patriotism and concern towards my country rather than to give more importance to money. मैं भी आकाश के तरह अपने देश के प्रति अपनी देशभक्ति और अपनी वफादारी दिखाना या व्यक्त करना ज़्यादा पसंद करता, ना कि पैसा कमाना।